बीजेपी सरकारच्या फाटल्या टर्मातले स्कॅम लोकायुक्तान एक्सपोज केले. लोकायुक्ताच्या इतल्या स्पष्ट रिपोर्टाचो अभ्यास करूंक सीएमाक 3 महिने कित्याक काय म्हूण आदोगाद यतीश नायकाचो प्रश्न.
All these facts and evidences and materials have been examined by the Lokayukta. All these material and evidences and facts have been appreciated by the Lokayukta. Here is the Lokayukta submitting a detailed report on a scam which this government, the BJP government, did. Now where is your commitment to zero tolerance to corruption? Accept the report. Make a statement, I am accepting the report right away. And act in terms of the report right away.
लोकायुक्ताच्या रिपोर्टाक लागून आता एंटी करप्शन ब्युरोचेरय दुबाव घेवपाचो.
The Lokayukta has said in its report that the ACB, that is the Anti-Corruption Bureau of the state government, which had closed down the investigation, had not properly done the inquiry. These are serious indictments of the ACB. ACB is supposed to be an anti-corruption wing of the government, and these kind of indictments don't augur well. In fact, what has to be seen and what has to be known and what has to be investigated and now inquired is at whose instance this Anti-Corruption Bureau closed the investigation in the beach cleaning scam then. You see, under this BJP government, this ACB is acquiring stature of caged parrots.
टुरिझम खात्यात येदे व्हडले बीच क्लिनिंग स्कॅम झाले. अजाब आणि शॉक म्हणल्यार आत्ताचो टुरिझम मिनिस्टर ताचेर ब्र काडूंक तयार ना. काँग्रेसीन बाबू आजगावकाराकय उजरायलो.
Tourism minister of this government has not spoken a word. And the latest what is known is this tourism minister is now going abroad. His mom on a scam which took birth in the BJP government, which was executed in the BJP government, and now which has been exposed by the Lokayukta, and this tourism minister now is quiet.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुकळेकार.